Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to explore a simple biography of Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, and more. If you want to practice your English while learning about one of the most innovative minds of our time, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in South Africa. He was a quiet boy. He liked books more than people. At the age of 9, he read for many hours every day. He loved science and computers. When Elon was 12, he made his first computer game. He sold it for $500. This was his first step into the world of technology. Elon had big dreams. He wanted to change the world. But life in South Africa was not easy, so at the age of 17, he moved to Canada. He went there to study and to find new opportunities. In Canada, Elon worked hard. He studied at Queen's University. He also worked part-time to earn money. Later, he moved to the United States and went to the University of Pennsylvania. Elon studied physics and business. He wanted to learn how the world works. He also wanted to learn how to build great companies. Elon had many ideas. He believed that technology could help people live better lives. He wanted to do something important with his life. In the 1990s, the internet was growing fast. Elon saw this as a big opportunity. With his brother Timble, he started a company called Zip2. Zip2 helped newspapers go online. It was a smart idea. In 1999, Elon sold the company for $307 million. He was only 28 years old. But Elon didn't stop. He wanted to build something even bigger. After Zip2, Elon started another company. It was called X.com. This company helped people send money on the internet. Later, X.com became PayPal. Many people used it. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon became rich, but he didn't spend money on cars or parties. He had a bigger plan. He wanted to build rockets. He wanted to go to space. In 2002, Elon started a space company called SpaceX. People thought he was crazy. Rockets were expensive. Many experts said it was impossible. But Elon worked hard. He hired smart people. They tested rockets again and again. In 2008, the Falcon 1 rocket went into space. It was the first private rocket to do this. SpaceX made space travel cheaper and faster. Elon wanted to send people to Mars one day. Elon also wanted to help Earth. In 2004, he joined a small company called Tesla Motors. They made electric cars. At first, people didn't believe in Tesla. The cars were expensive, the company had many problems, but Elon didn't give up. He believed electric cars were the future. In 2012, Tesla made the Model S. It was fast, clean, and beautiful. People loved it. Tesla became popular around the world. Elon also started a company called Solar City. It made solar panels. He wanted people to use clean energy. He believed the Earth needed help. Fossil fuels were bad for the planet. Solar power was a solution. He also made batteries for homes. These batteries stored energy from the sun. Elon wanted to build a better future for everyone.
Elon didn't stop with cars and rockets. He had more ideas. He talked about Hyperloop. It was a new kind of train. It could move very fast in a tube. He also started Neuralink. This company works on connecting the human brain to computers. Another company, the Boring Company, wants to make tunnels under cities. This could help with traffic problems. Elon said, "I want to solve hard problems."